Exploring the vast expanse of our planet reveals a world teeming with wonders and curiosities. From the depths of the oceans, where mysteries abound in less than 5% of uncharted territories, to the surprising habits of creatures like sharks and camels, our Earth is a treasure trove of fascinating phenomena. Join me on a journey as we delve into the intriguing realms of science, nature, and human peculiarities, uncovering stories ranging from the depths of the Pacific Ocean to the highest flights of bees, and from the unexpected behaviors of animals to the quirks of the human body. Let the exploration begin as we unravel the tapestry of the extraordinary facets that make our world a place of endless fascination and discovery. Oceans cover roughly 70% of the Earth's surface on average and reach depths comparable to about 8 Empire State Buildings. Despite less than 5% of these mysterious depths being explored, there are lakes and rivers beneath the ocean with water denser than the surrounding sea. In shallower waters, where intense sunlight threatens coral algae, corals produce proteins acting as natural sunscreen. While much of the ocean remains unexplored, an estimated 20 million tons of gold is dispersed in its dark waters, though concentrations are too minimal for economically viable mining. Sharks have a unique gathering spot known as the White Shark Cafe in the Pacific Ocean, where they congregate during winter, exchange stories, and return to coastal areas in warmer weather. The Pacific Ocean's widest point spans over 12,300 miles from Indonesia to Colombia, more than 5 times wider than the Moon's diameter. Contrary to the common perception of oceans being cold, some areas like hydrothermal vents on the seafloor release water at temperatures of up to 750 degrees. Surprisingly, human brains shrink with age, unlike other animals, and television might be a contributing factor. Camels store water not in their humps, but in their bloodstream. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest, and sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. The Moon also boasts ancient volcanoes. Watermelons come in various sizes, and kangaroo mice in the Nevada desert have adapted to obtain water from seeds. Parking in Hong Kong can be more expensive than one might imagine. Seattle, Washington is home to the world's priciest hot dog, priced at $169. An Australian barista set a record by making 420 cappuccinos in an hour. Surprisingly, you can taste garlic with your feet by rubbing a clove on them. Cockroaches can survive harsh conditions, and the termite queen has a remarkable lifespan of 50 years. Contrary to common belief, camels store water in their bloodstream, not their humps. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest, and sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. The Moon has ancient volcanoes, and there are watermelons the size of grapes known as mouse melons with a citrus flavor. An Australian lake appears bubblegum pink due to a specific algae pigment. In Tibet, black diamond apples have a dark purple color due to ample ultraviolet light and temperature variations. Despite their fluffy appearance, the average cloud weighs around 1.1 million pounds. A farmer from Iowa experienced hiccups for 68 years, and the world's largest desert is Antarctica, classified as a polar desert due to its low precipitation. Ostriches don't bury their heads in the sand. Instead, they lower their heads and bodies to appear less visible to predators. The first commercial passenger flight occurred in the early 20th century, lasting 23 minutes and costing $400. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of cell phones than the completion of the Great Pyramids. Every 2 minutes, more photos are taken than in the entire 19th century. The human brain, with a storage capacity of about 1 million gigabytes, is the largest flash drive. On average, humans walk about 110,000 miles in a lifetime. Hair, if never shaved, could grow into a 30-foot-long beard. Teeth enamel is the strongest part of the body, and the total length of all blood vessels in an adult is close to 100,000 miles. Humans glow, emitting light from body heat. The human brain grows by roughly 2% in space due to the absence of normal gravity. Cachosmia is a condition where all smells are perceived as unpleasant. Humans have over 20 senses, including sight, hearing, touch, smell, taste, time, hunger, and thirst. The brain generates electricity, and the tongue has a unique print. Lobsters taste food with their feet, and the sense of taste declines with age. Humans mostly breathe through one nostril at a time, and a cough can travel up to 50 miles per hour. Hiccups are a 2-step process involving a muscle spasm and the closure of airways. Humans have unique lip prints, and the total surface of the lungs is equivalent to a tennis court. The cornea is the only body part without a direct blood supply. Coughs and sneezes can travel at significant speeds. It's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. Humans dream, but often forget about half of their dreams within 5 minutes of waking up. Blushing occurs in the stomach lining as well, as increased blood flow turns both red. Humans are the only animals capable of blushing. Humans literally glow, emitting light from body heat. The human brain's storage capacity is about 1,000,000 gigabytes. Humans start feeling thirsty when losing about 1% of body weight. Almost half of taste buds are lost by age 60. The sense of smell becomes less acute with age. As for taste, smell plays a crucial role in perceiving flavor. Ears keep growing throughout life, and the nose never stops growing either. Your heart is the only muscle that never gets tired. The hyoid bone, shaped like a U, supports the tongue and is one of the rare bones that don't articulate with others. In conclusion, our journey through the diverse landscapes of Earth has unveiled a tapestry woven with captivating tales and surprising revelations. From the profound depths of the oceans, where mysteries await exploration, to the heights reached by bees and the unique characteristics of creatures both big and small, we have glimpsed the extraordinary nature of our planet. As we reflect on the wonders explored, from the Pacific Ocean's vast expanses to the intricacies of the human body, it becomes clear that our world is a repository of endless fascination. From the depths of the sea to the farthest reaches of space, the universe invites us to marvel at its complexity and diversity. The stories of camels and sharks, watermelons and kangaroo mice, and the unique features of the human body remind us that every corner of our planet holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. As we continue our exploration, may the curiosity sparked by these tales inspire a deeper appreciation for the marvels that surround us every day. Our journey into the unknown has only just begun, and the wonders of our world are boundless, inviting us to continue the adventure of discovery.